Good morning, traders. Good morning and welcome to our morning live trading room session, guys. This is Kyriakos Harilaou from the Forex trading desk of Trademy, guys, and we have some important updates. It seems that the trade for today is won, and the trade is short buy the yen. Buy the yen, that's the signal I'm getting from. Buy the yen today, guys. So I have shorted dollar yen using the intraday system. Let me update you straight away of the current positions I have. I couldn't resist, guys, and I opened these trades just a few minutes before our session starts. So I entered the trading room a bit earlier in order to inform you about them. So as you can see, I already have placed some trades. I have shorted euro dollar using the hedging system. I have shorted pound yen using the hedging system. I have shorted dollar yen using the intraday system. And I have shorted also euro yen using the intraday system. Guys, I'm now looking for the TP of the euro yen, and I will place it at 125.52. 126.52 actually, so 126.52. That's the take profit of euro yen, guys. And let me see about stop loss, guys. Just a moment to go to the next chart. All right. There is my stop loss. I will use this level as a stop loss. So I will put it as a pink color. 127.39.45. 127.45 is my stop loss on that, guys. Look at euro yen, guys. Amazing. I told you that today I got the signals of long the yen. Long the yen. This is what I got today, guys, by analyzing the charts this morning. I have shorted dollar yen, I have shorted pound yen, I have shorted euro yen. So basically I'm buying the yen. The yen is indicating strengthening across the board. And currently we are making $3,000 on euro yen. I'm expecting a big decline today on euro yen, guys. I'm expecting the price to quickly drop towards this support level at 126.52. From that trade, guys, we are aiming to get $10,598 and we risk $1,957. So these are the three positions we have for the moment. Let me explain the analysis I have done. No, we missed that 127. It was 40. Yes, it was there. So let me quickly go through the analysis I have done on euro yen, guys. As you can see, euro yen reached this resistance level at 127.61, and then it is dropping sharply. What I like on euro yen is that the RSI has just also crossed below 40, below the support, and we have a bearish cross on the 1 hour on the stochastic. Moving on to the 15-minute charts, currently we don't have any indications of oversold positions. Stochastic still has a way to go down, so I'm not expecting any reversal soon. So we are heading straight towards our TPs on euro yen. So FX positions using the IS system, intraday system, guys. So trade number 1. I have entered a short position on euro yen at 127.305, stop loss 127.45, and TP 126.52. Now the second trade that I have opened is a short position on dollar yen. Let me go straight towards my analysis, guys. There is only one level to watch out for dollar yen, which is close and relevant to our current market price. And that level, of course, is the 61.8% retracement level of that move. So what I have done, I have drawn my Fibonacci, and as you can see, the 61.8% retracement level is at 111.29. Okay, so that's the level I should watch out, and that's why I have placed my stop loss a bit above that level at 111.35. So we have on the 1 hour chart, we observe primary movement, correction, and now the secondary movement starts. Bearish parabolics have just started. RSI has just broke below the 40 level, indicating an increasing bearish momentum. And we have a bearish cross of percentage K below percentage D on the stochastic and not in an oversold area. So we still have further room to go down. Moving on to the 15-minute chart. I'm observing a strong bearish momentum of the stochastic and the RSI. Some correction is probable, but I don't believe that the price will manage and exceed the level of 111.29. Now, how do I derive to my take profit level? If this low is broken, we are taking the extension of the last upside correction move. 161.8, as you can see, is at 110.40. I put it at 110.43, targeting for the extension level, including also the spread. I have two pip spread. I put my take profit 3 pips above the actual 161.8 extension level. So I include the spread because I'm shorting. I want the ask price to reach this level. Okay, guys. Also, as I said, let me inform you about this second trade. We have shorted dollar yen at 111.094, stop loss 111.35, and TP 110.43. Now, as you can see, we have also shorted euro dollar and is getting ready to hit already our TP. So trades under the hedging system, forex positions under the HS hedging system. Number 1, we have shorted euro USD at 1.14576, stop loss 1.15146, and TP 1.40226. And also we have shorted pound yen at 140.959, stop loss 141.529, and TP 140.609, guys. So euro dollar, I have shorted it at this level here. Let me explain quickly why. Let me make my analysis first of all. As you can see, we have a good support of euro dollar. Let me use correct and proper line colors. We have a good support at 1.1376. There's my support. And we have another support at this level here, guys. 113.67. And in between, nothing. Of course, we will check our Fibonacci levels. Moreover, we have a very strong resistance level here, 1.1475, 76 actually. So I will put it as a red line. That's our resistance level. Now, Fibonacci, I'm taking the last move I want to know where the FIBO 61.8 is. So it's good that is lower than my take profit level. So there it is, my support level, FIBO 61.8. Let me put it as a blue color because it's a support level. So we are done with Fibonacci retracements. Let's have a look on Fibonacci extensions, which are not so relevant, so I will not even bother to analyze them. Okay, guys, dollar yen is going against us, but we will see. Let's see dollar yen. No, let's stay to euro dollar because we are marginally close to hit our TP on euro dollar. There we go, guys. We are just 5 pips away from our take profit level. So the other important level for euro is if we break above this level and we don't hit TP, then I will reverse to long. But for the moment, it seems that for today, euro dollar is going down. We have a nice bearish cross here on the stochastic, and RSI still has plenty of room to drop, especially to test the 40 support level on the RSI. Now, based on the 15-minute chart of euro dollar, all of the signals are bearish. RSI is not yet oversold, so we believe we will soon hit our TP. We have a resistance level there. I shorted it here. I only see, if I see the price going above that resistance, I have my buy stop hedging order here to reverse. But as I said, my target is not to reverse, is to get straightforward positions. So that was euro dollar. Let's have a look on dollar yen. Dollar yen has rebounded up to the moving average of 200 periods on the moving average of 10 periods on the 15-minute chart, but you can see now that is indicating weaknesses, and most probably it will start to fall. I say that a crucial level for dollar yen is the FIBO 61.8, which is of this move, which is the 111.29, guys. So we need to keep an eye on it. Now, it is absolutely normal for that pair to react because it has touched here. Let me put it in brown color. It has touched here the 61.8. So the 61.8 of the whole move of the 1 hour chart, it was tested. So it's absolutely normal to have a reaction to the upside. Now, the key levels to watch for dollar yen are the pink line. We don't want the price to break above the pink line because if it does, then most probably dollar yen will continue further upside movement. If we have a break below the brown line, the bullish 61.8, the support level of 61.8 Fibonacci, then I'm expecting a sharp decline on dollar yen. Now let's move on to pound yen. Pound yen is indicating similar bearishness attitudes as euro yen as well. So looking on the 1 hour chart, is one of the trades that I like. We have a primary movement correction, and then now we are going for the secondary movement. And I'm usually trading the secondary movements as I'm clearly explaining in the one-to-one sessions. Right, Donald? Good morning. I just saw you are online and I was mentioning the secondary movements we discussed together. Good morning, Donald. So that's a classic example of secondary movement, guys. On pound yen, I decided to short it using, as I said, on the pounds, I'm using the hedging system. So we shorted pound yen at this level here. Let me quickly mark support and resistance levels so that you have an idea of my thinking and my philosophy. We don't have support levels, guys, important support levels. Actually, the important support level is here, 140.72. We just have one support level, which is important. That's the key level for pound yen. We are speculating that the price will break below it. Now, regarding resistance levels, we have a minor resistance at 141.13. Let me put it in red color. That's why I have my hedging buy stop order above that. Stochastic is nice. RSI, I want RSI to resume back below 40, which most likely will happen. And my TP, as you can see, is a bit above the Bollinger Band. However, because of the spread, in order for the TP to get triggered, we need to touch the Bollinger Band to go below it, the bid price to go below the take profit level. If we see that, we will hit our TP. Now, if we move on to the 15-minute chart, again, a key level to watch, guys, is the FIBO 61.8% retracement level of this move. And as you can see, that's exactly where I have shorted. Nice one. So that's why I have shorted at this level. So I will put a pink color there. 140.96 is the level. Is the intraday FIBO 61.8 retracement level of the last move. And that's why I have entered short positions. I like to speculate on the Fibonacci 61.8% levels. They are very strong levels, especially for intraday trading purposes. And as you can see, my entry level price matches exactly that level. That's why I open it before the trading session starts. And because I couldn't resist, it was a perfect entry level, so I went for it. And basically, these are the watch out levels for pound yen. Now, euro yen, guys, for me is the most promising one for today. Okay, so I'm expecting euro yen. It has given up the support of 127.204. I think it will test 126.93, and it's very bearish, guys, euro yen. The euro yen is very bearish today. I believe we will have a drop towards this support. If you look at it on higher time frames, it's primary correction, secondary correction, and so on. If you look at it on the daily chart is ready for a breakout. We have a squeeze and breakout signal. The daily candlesticks are working the bands, working the lower band actually. RSI has just crossed below 40. So I believe we are going lower. I think we will go lower than the October's lows here. So that's good for us because we are short and we are aiming to get the money, guys. As you can see, we have two positions for the moment using the intraday system and two positions using the hedging system. Let me analyze now in front of you the other pair that I like to trade. Let me analyze dollar CHF. All right, it seems very promising. Let me go to the 1 hour chart, guys. It looks really nice. We have primary correction. All right, let's analyze this one. Let's put our support and resistance levels first. Okay, the support level is here. That's our support level. You know what, guys? It's very attractive. I think I will go long. Okay, guys, I'm buying dollar CHF. I just bought dollar CHF. So using the intraday system, I have just entered long positions on dollar CHF at, where is it? Let me find, there it is. Dollar CHF, long at 0.98886. So we have just entered long positions. Now that's my support. Bullish, nice. So let me see what is the target I'm aiming at. I will use the FIBO 61.8. I'm going for this level here, 99.10. I will go for that one, 61.8. I will put it as a red line because it's a resistance level. So my TP will be 99.10. So that's my TP. We are aiming for $3,247. Let me see where my stop loss will be, guys. 15-minute chart. Let me go to 5-minute chart. All right. My stop loss, let me see. Okay, I will use the technique of reverse Fibonacci. I will use the technique of reverse Fibonacci, guys. And that's the level. I will put it in brown color because it's support. 98.65 is my stop loss. 98.65. Let me check the reward to risk ratios. I'm risking $3,580 to get, no, it's not good. It's not good at all. This means that I need to find another stop loss more appropriate. So let me see, I will use this one then, from the last bottom up to the previous candle. 98.70, the 61.8 is 98.73, 72, 98.72. I will adjust that to 98.72 because I don't want to have negative reward to risk ratios and use technical levels for the stop losses. So now we are risking $2,518 to get $3,246. So let me post it as it is straight away. Stop loss for Stop loss for dollar CHF. It's 0.9872 and TP is 0.9910, guys. That's the dollar CHF analysis and position. I'm expecting the price to go up and retest the FIBO 61.8% of this downside move. Bullish RSI, bullish stochastic on the 1 hour chart. A bit of overbought conditions, but nothing to worry about. The pair has just broken above the trading range of the morning. So a very good momentum, bullish parabolics on the 15-minute chart, and also bullish parabolics on the 5-minute chart. I'm expecting a rally on dollar CHF to the upside. So that's the third trade we have placed for the moment. Let me now analyze pound dollar. All right, that's a nice one. I like that one as well. Correction primary. Okay, guys, I'm shorting pound dollar. Let me short pound dollar. It's a primary correction and secondary move. So I will short pound dollar. I will short it straight away and I will tell you why. So let me short pound dollar. It looks very promising. No, let's wait. Let's wait. I will not short it. Let me analyze it first because I think that's a 61.8% retracement level. So let's analyze it first. Let's don't go blindly short it. So I have a good resistance level of pound dollar at this level here. So that's my resistance level. My support actually is this one. Wow. Wow. Huge decline. Huge decline on pound dollar, guys. All right. Let's see. I have nothing in between. Primary, secondary. All right. Let me check the FIBO 61.8. Okay, we have an obstacle there. Let me also check the FIBO of this move for resistance levels. It's there, we have it. Let me make it thicker because we have a match of the levels. So very strong resistance level for the pound dollar, 126.84. 84. Let me see, it's very interesting. Very, very, very interesting, guys. And if we break that, what's the FIBO 261.8? What's the FIBO? Wow, amazing, 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 amazing. So we have a match as well at 126.10. All right. Okay, guys, we will short pound dollar straight away. Okay, I'm shorting pound dollar straight away. So short pound dollar 135. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. It's of the trades that I'm usually getting in love with them. Very nice setups, very clear signals, guys. Very, very clear signals today, crystal clear signals. So we just shorted pound dollar, aiming for a straightforward position. I'm not expecting a comeback on pound dollar. You will see now the pound dollar crashing. Believe me, you will see that. So a hedging system, we just shorted pound dollar at 1.26564, stop loss 1.27134, and TP 1.26214. Now, let me see the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart is lovely. I like it. I want to see the RSI also breaking below 40. So we just shorted it and we are already making money, guys. As you can see, all of the trades, we have just closed our first profitable trade for the day, guys. Euro dollar, $3,500 are already in my pocket, guys. A nice one. But as you can see today, the majority of the positions are winning. We are making another $7,000 and it's still morning, guys. So euro dollar just hit TP. Just hit TP and we will make much more money. We are making $5,000 on euro yen. Let's close euro yen, guys. $5,300. We just closed euro yen with another $5,300, guys. Amazing. Euro yen. We just closed it with TP. We have increased our profits and we are still only 24 minutes in the trading session, guys. And we have increased our profits to $8,800. More is coming, guys. More is coming. Pound dollar is very promising. So we have been left with the following positions. Pound yen is getting ready to hit our TP. Pound yen, guys, we are just 5 pips away. That's another $3,140. Amazing, guys. Just 25 minutes in the morning session, and we have already realized $8,800 of profits. A very nice day so far, guys. A very nice day so far. Shall we close that one as well? Come on, let's close that one as well. There we go. $2,000, guys. Just closed $2,000. We just closed another profitable trade, pound yen, $2,000. And look at that, guys. In just 25 minutes of trading, we have managed to almost get profits of $11,000 in just 25 minutes of trading session. So I'm keeping the remaining of the positions. I will let them run. Let me see if I will short again pound yen. I want to see it recovering and then I will short it again. So for the moment, we have short positions on pound dollar. We have long positions on dollar CHF, and we have short positions on dollar yen. Currently, we are up $10,896 in just 25 minutes of our trading session. Very nice day so far. I will proceed with my analysis. If I see pound dollar recovering a bit, I will, if I see pound yen recovering a bit, I will short it. There we go, guys. I think I will short it again. I will enter a second short position using the hedging system on pound yen. Let me see the 5-minute chart. Let me see the 5-minute chart. I need a bit of a upside correction, and if I see that, I will enter a second position short on pound Aussie. So let's go to the next pair, pound yen, not pound Aussie. Let's go to the next pair, pound Aussie. Oh, we missed that, guys. We missed that. We missed that. Okay, let me check Aussie dollar. Okay, guys, I'm shorting Aussie dollar. Let's see if we will short Aussie dollar. It's looking, no, it's oversold. No, I'm not trading the Aussie today. Dollar CAD looks very promising. I think I will go long dollar CAD, guys. Just a moment to have another look. Anyway, I will have another look and let you know. So currently, just 25 minutes of trading. We hit TP on euro dollar, $3,500. We closed our short position on euro yen with $5,300. We closed our short position on pound yen with $294, just 25 minutes of trading, profits of $10,896. So a nice start for us here at Trademy. Let's go now to Elif for the EU indices session.
Hello guys, well done Kyriakos, well done, $10,000 early in the morning, not bad before Christmas. Guys, hello and welcome to our morning session here at Trademy.com with me and Kyriakos. So, let's see who's with us today, who's with us this morning. Here we go, here we go. With us as Ellen is with us. Hello, Ellen. Good morning, Alicia. Donald. Hello, Donald. Francis. Hello. Jenna, Julia, and Laura. Welcome. Nice to have you here. And also Eric, Natalie, and Patrick. Hello, Rachel. Robert and Torstein. Hello, Torstein. Nice to have you guys here. We get directly into the trading. Hello, John. Hello, Robert. Sorry, Robert, John. Guys, we have a sell-off. We have a sell-off and we are ready here to make some money on this sell-off. As you can see, yesterday evening, we made quite good profits on Dow Jones. We have a sell-off after the Fed decision on Wednesday. Everything went down yesterday. Again, we had some movements downwards, and here we see it. It's down, it's down, it's down. So this down movement is affecting also in USA, is affecting also the European shares and the European assets. And there we go. For example, on DAX, we see here a very, very, very strong downtrend also on DAX. That's why we shorted it. Now it moved a bit up and I will sell again DAX. I'm increasing now my exposure, guys. I am short on DAX. Guys, I entered short on DAX because you see that we have a downtrend. We opened a bit in profit and the market already reached the closing of yesterday. So and our indicators, they point a further downtrend. That's why I entered once again a short position on DAX. And let's put take profit. My take profit will be at the candle, the stick of the previous candle. This is my take profit. So it will be at 10,515. I put it at 10,515. And also this trade over here, 10,515. So guys, just for you, have it in mind. We are shortly before Christmas. There's always a rally on the markets, always. And we will see when this rally will start, because they are already so down that the rally might be really strong. Guys, I just got a breaking news. UK economy grew 0.6% in the third quarter. This is a positive result for the UK economy. Let me see if we can put any position here on UK 100. We are checking the daily chart first. The daily chart shows a downtrend. But it is in a reversal, close to a reversal. When we go to the hourly chart, Here we can get a confirmation for this. Let me check. This is the level. These positive numbers, I believe. I just sold UK 100. Just sold UK 100, and I will put a narrow take profit, guys, because I believe that the market will drop further down until this level over here. We get this signal from our stochastic oscillator, and we get this signal also here. Yep, guys. We go shortly for down at 6,682. 83. I will put it at 83. Not at 82, at 83. Here we go. It's a small profit that we are aiming on USA 100. Because we get this signal only from the 5 minutes and a 15 minutes chart. That's why we go for a short take profit, not for a wide take profit. So let's go also to Italy 40. As you know, I just opened Italy 40 position. And I'm getting ready now to increase my exposure on Italy 40. Guys, I'm selling again Italy 40. I'm increasing my exposure. I mean, it's a wonderful trade. Look at this. It's a wonderful trade on Italy 40. It's crystal clear. The market goes down. The market goes further down. The news from the States are negative. We had a pullback over here, and we aim a further downtrend, and we are almost in money. Here we go. Yeah, that's good. That's good. What we want. So let's put also a take profit here. Our take profit is at 18,320. I put it at 18,320. Okay, I put my take profit on 18,320. I have 2 positions open on Italy 40 short. I have 2 positions open on DAX short and 1 position on UK 100. It's a slow movement, but we will get there, guys. We will get there, you know that. So let me write them down. So let's see. On Italy 40, I'm quite positive it will get there. So Italy 40, I have 2 positions open. The 1 position I entered at 1,800, 18,355.3. And my take profit on this position is at 18,300 sharp. Then I have another 1 Italy 40 position short. So I expect the price to drop. And I entered at 18,366.3. And my take profit on this position is at 18,320, a bit higher. Then I have 2 positions open on DAX. Again, a short position. Here I entered at 2 different entry levels, but my take profit is for both the same, 10,515. And there we go. And also I am short on UK 100. Guys, and I know that gold moved very strongly. down and now it's going up. Let me see, I have to trade also gold. Gold is also in a very strong move, but I will write that first down and then we see how we will trade gold. UK 100. We are short on UK 100. And I entered this position at 6,692. And my take profit is at 6,683. There we go. So let's check together. Gold trade. Gold yesterday really rallied up. You see that we went yesterday to 1,263 level. 1,263 level, very high. And this today it looks like a reversal, like it will drop, but I believe the economic situation is very bad currently. 1 hour chart shows a drop. 15 minutes shows, okay, here we see. Guys, I'm going short on gold. I'm selling short. I'm selling gold. You see, it's a wonderful setup. We got short signal. Here we see that again. We had a pullback and now it's again a short position. I'm going short and I will put my take profit here within the Bollinger Bands on the body of the previous candle. So this will be at 1,257.20. This is approximately a $2,000 trade. Yeah, $2,400. Yep, looks nice, and we will get it in. Guys, I'm everywhere short. I'm short on gold, I'm short on Italy 40, short on UK 100. Ooh, I'm shorting everything. So, short gold. Short gold, and I entered this gold trade at 1,258.02, and my take profit is at 1,257.20. Here we go. That's our trade for today, for so far. Now, Italy 40 and DAX. Italy 40 and DAX are not very nicely moving. They are moving again. Okay. On gold, you want me, Robert, to repeat the entry levels or why I entered? The entry levels, I'm writing it. I am short on gold. I entered at 1,000. Okay. I entered at 1,258.02 and my take profit on gold is 1,257.20. And I'm aiming here approximately $2,400 profit. And the reason why I entered this position, Robert, is because I see yesterday gold made a huge move up, and I believe slowly it will reverse. And we see this signal already on the 1 hour chart. We see on our stochastic oscillator that the market is close to a reversal on the 1 hour chart. When we check the ADX, also here we see, look on the ADX, if the ADX number is above above 50, then it means that this trend is a strong trend. When it drops below 50, it's close to a reversal. So it means that the trend was an uptrend, and when we get from the ADX the signal that it's close to a reversal, then it means it will reverse and go to a downtrend. So I entered a short position, and as you can see over here, I put my take profit on the 5 minutes chart on the previous low. You see, this is the previous low. Here is actually the previous low, but I put it a bit higher than the previous low because I'm expecting the market to aim that low, but I'm expecting to enter that level, but it's always more difficult to reach this. It's mainly reversing beforehand a bit. That's why I put it a bit higher than the low, like few pips higher, and it will be good. My worry right now is Italy 40. Yesterday we made some profits, but we booked yesterday a big loss on Italy 40. For all of you who remembers, we booked a really big profit of $7,000 yesterday on Italy 40. We just opened the trade, so I will leave it a bit more to run. It's too early to take some action here because also still when we check, there is still the same pattern that it's a reverse, it's a downtrend. The trend is still going down, and that's why I want to stick on my Italy 40 position a bit more, and then we will see throughout the day how we will handle that. But it's something we have to have an eye on. So yesterday, as you know, we had extended trading hours. We made some nice profits. We had also some losses yesterday. For all of you who traded with us, we made yesterday $37,000, was nice. Although we booked yesterday some losses on Italy 40 and on DAX. Hope that today we will not get the same issue as yesterday, but currently the market is still in our favor, and we will see how it's going. Let's check also oil and Brent oil. As you now know, I love to trade oil and Brent oil. Let me see. On Wednesday evening, we had our oil inventories. There we made some nice profits. And now I'm thinking what's going on right now on oil. Also, oil is in a downtrend. Also on the hourly chart, we see a downtrend. Half an hour, we see a downtrend. 5 minutes. Okay. Guys, on oil, I will sell a bit oil. Here we go. There we go. We sold and we paid off the spread. That's what we want. Come on. Come on. This is what we want. These are the trades which we want. We got clear signals over here. So I will put my take profit at 45.580. Come on, take it. Why you are not taking it? Now take it. Okay. So it's a small take profit. Let me see. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. We will get some money in there. Come on. $200 we are making right now. $200. We paid off the spread. We directly went to the profit. Let me see what's going on. Okay, on Brent oil, we are already a bit too late to enter. On Brent oil, we are too late. There we go. We are making $400 on oil, and we are getting ready to hit take profit, guys. We are getting ready to hit take profit. Our take profit is at $900. So come on, one drop and we are there. This morning we didn't close any trades yet so far. We still have some movement. We didn't close anything yet, and we see now that it's moving a bit up. Let's check also Brent oil. Since it's moving a bit up, maybe we can enter also. Guys, I'm entering also a Brent oil position. I just entered also a Brent oil position. And on Brent oil, I put my take profit at 54.005. Let's see, maybe it's a bit too aggressive, my take profit, which I put on Brent oil. Let's see. Because as you know, the zero numbers are extremely strong psychological levels. That's why I believe that maybe 54 to break below 54 might take a bit time, and I will see if I adjust my take profit over there. But if it drops below 54, that's going to be a big drop. So I'm again short on oil and Brent oil, guys. I'm short on oil and Brent oil. Oil is making already profits. On Brent oil, we entered a bit delayed, but it will get also there. So let's check again Italy 40 and DAX, because as you know, on Italy 40 and on DAX, no, guys, I don't have worries about Italy 40 and DAX. It just needs a bit time. It's in a very low level. It needs a bit time. But I will not make the mistake which I made yesterday, where I got a bit greedy and I didn't close it with a certain amount of profit. I wanted to get my take profit to be triggered. Today I will not make this mistake. I might accept profits earlier and close them and get some happy moments. Because it's Friday evening, guys. It's Friday. We will it's the last Friday before Christmas. For most of on Monday we will have reduced trading hours. So I believe today the volatility will be a bit low on the market, so we have to accept certain profits, amount of profits, which on other days maybe we would say they are peanuts. You know what I mean? We have to accept those profits a bit earlier today, a bit earlier, and we will see. So, guys, we are short on oil, we are short on Brent oil, on gold we are short, on Italy 40 we are short, on UK 100 we are short, we are everywhere short. Let's see if we can find anything where we can go long. Let me see, maybe we'll find something where we can go long. short. But the markets are very, very bearish these days. They are bearish. They are a bit slow, but bearish. And I believe later on they will make some bullish movements. I'm checking right now. Silver. It's been some time that we haven't traded silver, guys. Today it dropped already quite a lot. Guys, I will trade against silver. I'm going to be short also on silver. Get ready. Here we go. We are selling silver. We just sold silver, guys. We just sold silver. And as you know, when you sell silver, you have to take care of the spread. You have to pay first the spread. I just sold silver, guys. My take profit is going to be at 14.585. It's the low, the previous low, and we will get there. So we are short on silver, guys. We are short on silver, short on UK 100. We started to look for a long position and we find only short positions. We find only short positions, guys. That's funny. So, gold and DAX. We have two DAX positions. We have two DAX positions, two Italy 40 positions, one gold position, one silver position, a lot of positions. We have a lot of positions running and none of them is really making a satisfying profit. Let me check. Okay. But you see also the volatility. It's so narrow. It just needs a bit more time and a bit more push. Today, we don't expect also major news on the markets. The market is very clear. It's a down bullish market. It just needs a bit time and it will move on and give us some profits. We just need to be patient. That's the story behind. So, guys, let me check out with Kyriakos if he has any updates. And I see he has some updates and we will check out and let the positions run and see what we will get out of them. Thank you, guys.
Very nice, Elif. Well done. So, guys, a few more updates. I have decided to enter long positions now on euro dollar because it seems that the decline tested the support. I am entering now long positions. If, however, the price drops down towards that support again, then this means that we will observe a breakout to the euro dollar. That's why I have my sell stop there. For the moment, I'm speculating that euro dollar, it might go and retest the red line. And as you can see, the TP is below it. For the moment, I'm long. If I see a decline towards the lows of the previous candle, of the daily lows, basically, I'm reversing to short. It means that we will break that support and we will target the next support. That's why my TP is a bit above the next support level of euro dollar. Also, guys, I have entered long positions using the hedging system on pound yen. My entry level was not that good, but it seems that pound yen has fully recovered and closed above this support level. We had the so-called intraday downward penetration of this support level. So as soon as it is holding above it, I'm speculating on long positions for higher levels. If I see the price closing below it, I have my sell stop order here. We are going for new daily lows and I will short it. Pound dollar, the hedging system has reversed us to long positions. I think we will be trading within this range. It's going to be either side breakout, guys. So we just need to be a bit more patient on pound dollar. A very strong resistance level, however, on pound dollar at 1.2684. So very strong resistance level on pound dollar, I repeat, at 1.2684. If we break above it, we are going higher. Otherwise, we will be trading around this range. So let's see how this trade will perform. Also, our dollar CHF long position, you will see a nice upside breakout on the 15-minute chart. Now it has stalled there. We still have some way to cover. As you can see, I have entered long using the intraday system. I'm risking for that trade $2,516, aiming for $3,244. Let's see what else. We have also a position on dollar yen intraday system. We have shorted it here a bit quick, I will say. We should have been waiting for the MA of 10 to be retested, but we are still in the game, guys. I'm expecting to see a break of this 110.04, which is the intraday FIBO 61.8% retracement level of the upside move. This pink line is the intraday FIBO resistance level 61.8. So this is a key area for dollar yen. It's going to be on either side breakout. Probabilities, however, suggest a downside breakout for dollar yen for the moment, especially if we see a break below this level. When I see a break, I mean a close of the candle below the level of 111.04. So currently we have managed to realize $10,500. We closed in the morning straightforward positions TP $3,500 on euro dollar. We closed $5,300 on euro yen, and we closed $2,094 on our previous short positions on pound yen. So $10,500 for the moment, guys. Much more is waiting for us, I think. So let's see how we will do today. Stay with us, and we will be live in the chat room to support any questions you might have or requests. Take care, guys. See you in a short while. Thank you.
Ching ching, guys! We just hit take profit on several trades on the same moment. Look, gold, we hit $2,460, Brent oil $560, oil $895, and we increased our profits for so far to $3,915 so far. And then we have still some positions open. Let me see, and they are making right now some profit, especially Italy 40, which was a bit kind of my worrying part. It's almost there, giving some profits. The one trade on Italy 40 paid off already, the spread, and the other one still needs a bit time, but it's moving on. And we will see how it will go. And on gold, I will put directly, I will put pending order, because the market is very strong downtrend, as you can see, and we will put a pending order on gold. A pending order, we go for a sell limit. And I want the market, the position, to open when the market is at 1,257.50. This is what my limit is, and I want that it close at 1,256.57 directly. This is my neutral. Wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. On USA 30, on gold. No, guys, I'm not. I'm selling right now. I just sold. and I will delete this pending order. The market is giving us this possibility to go short right now, and this is what I did. I just opened this position, and I will put my take profit again with a profit of with a movement of 50 cents. Let me go for 1,256.30. This is my take profit, and it will give us some nice profits. It will give us some nice profits. This is my new position, and looking forward to get more. We close. No, we didn't. So, see you in a short while, guys. Bye. And another one, guys, we hit take profit also on UK 100. We hit take profit on UK 100, and we increased our profits to $4,292. And now we are looking at gold. This trade, what we opened a few minutes ago, and it looks very promising. Our Italy 40 positions are looking very promising. Our silver position is looking very promising. So get ready, guys. We will hit some more take profits. Let's check Italy 40 for sure, because as you remember, yesterday we made some losses on Italy 40, and I don't want to repeat that by our greediness. So on gold, we are making $1,300 right now, $1,500. Our take profit is at $2,700. So let that run. Let's go to Italy 40 to check and decide if we want to close this position or not. So on the 15 minutes chart, I get the signals to keep it a bit more. Yes, also on the 5 minutes. Also on the 5 minutes chart, I got a very clear signal to keep it a bit more, and it will be okay. So, okay, so we are looking forward to hit take profits. We will the take profits will remain at the same level as we have them right now. We don't change them, and we are going to be happy. So, guys, stay with us, get ready for some take profits, and yes, get ready for some take profits, guys.
Thank you, okay, guys, we are just 9 pips away from our take profit on dollar CHF. As you can see, the price is climbing nicely to the upside, reaching our level of take profit. We are just less than 9 pips away from the TP, guys. From this trade, using the intraday system, a straightforward position, we are aiming for $3,241. So you are monitoring my screen now, guys. We will let the trade develop and see if we will hit our TP. In the meantime, as I have informed you in the trading room, we have reversed to short on pound dollar. We have reversed to short on pound yen. We have long positions on pound Aussie, long positions on euro dollar, and we are long dollar CHF, and we are short dollar yen. Some trades are making money, some others are losing money. You see now the contradiction between TPs and stop losses. For example, on dollar yen, we are getting ready to hit stop loss. We are risking on that trade $3,451. On dollar CHF, we are aiming for, let's see, come on. We are aiming for $3,241. So we will see dollar yen just 6 pips away, 5 pips away now from the profits. Let's see if we will manage and hit our TP on that position. Currently, we are up $10,509 for the day. A nice start in just 25 minutes in the morning. We made $10,500. Now we are missing 5 more pips in order to hit our take profit on dollar CHF. Let's see, guys, if we will manage and hit that. It's getting there. We just need a little more push to the upside and we will take the profit. So you are monitoring my screen, just 4 pips away. We just want the bid price to go and reach that level. There we go, 4 pips away now, guys. We are making $2,700 on $CHF. We want the money, guys. 3.4 pips, 3 pips now, 2 pips now. We want this price to go to 99.10. There we go. Come on, 1.5 pip now. 0.6 pips. Come on. A bit slightly more to the upside. 0.6 pips. Amazing. Come on. You can do it. Come on, we want this number to go to 101. Currently, yeah, we go, guys. We just hit our take profit on $CHF, $3,239, and we have raised our daily profit so far to $13,749. Another straightforward trade, a nice one. So stand by, guys. There is more. Let's see what else we can do today, guys, here live at Trademy.com. So let's see. Thank you. Okay, guys, our position on dollar CAD is not doing well. It seems that we will hit our first stop loss for the day. We are just 1 pip away from our stop loss. We give it a try. It's an intraday trend contrarian trade, and we hit stop loss, guys. We lost $1,395, and our profits have now decreased for the day to $12,353. So we hit stop loss on dollar CAD, $1,395. Let's see what we can do else. Okay, guys, we are getting ready for more profits today. We are approaching the take profit of pound Aussie, as you can see. Our hedged reverse position on pound Aussie is making us $3,900. There we go, guys. We are getting ready to hit TP on pound Aussie. Green lights as well. Let's see if we will manage and hit the TP. In the meantime, we have reversed to short positions on pound yen. So get ready, guys, for TPs on pound Aussie. We have reversed to short positions on pound yen. Let me update you about it. So we have reversed to 146.88. Stop loss. There is a reversal. 141.258 and TP 140.338. Lots of volatility now on the pound, guys. Remember that we also have short positions on pound dollar. So for the moment, we have reversed to short positions on pound dollar. We have reversed to short positions on pound yen, and we have reversed also to short positions on pound Aussie. Let's see, we have also reversed to short positions on euro dollar. We are short dollar yen and we are short euro yen. So short today, guys, for the moment at least, following the market momentum. So we were very close to hit our TP on pound Aussie, but the price now has risen a bit. It will get there shortly. So stand by, guys. I will update you as soon as we hit any TPs. It's very close, guys, just 10 pips away. 10 pips for pound Aussie is nothing. It's very easy to be done. So we are monitoring the charts. Let's see, it's dropping now again. So I'm monitoring the charts and I will update you if I hit any TPs or stop losses, because also losses are part of the game, as you know. Thank you. Get ready for some TPs on pound Aussie, guys. We are marginally close to hit our take profit on pound Aussie. We just need the ask price to go to 292. If this position is closed, I'm closing also the hedge short position with profit. Already we are making around $100 on pound Aussie from this reversal position. Green lights. It means that we are marginally close to close these trades, the hedging positions with profits. Currently, after hitting a stop loss on dollar CAD, our profits have fallen down to $12,353. Let's see if we will manage and get our profits back up to above 13,000 from these two trades. Also, as you can see, our dollar yen trade is not doing well. We are 10 pips away from hitting another stop loss for the day. Losses are part of the game. The key is overall to make money, guys. Don't be afraid to trade as soon as you have proper money management and risk management rules in place. Let's see if we will manage and hit our TP on pound Aussie. In the meantime, we have important announcements. GDP for the United States at 1:30 GMT time, UTC time. So that's in approximately 30 minutes from now. So expect me to go live 5 minutes before the announcements in order to see with you live the volatility of the pairs and see if we manage and close some positions, either with profits or with losses. So guys, expect in approximately 25 minutes I will go live, guys, because we have GDP announcements for the United States dollar. Very important news. It's Friday. And also we have GDP for the Canadian dollar and retail sales for the Canadian dollar. These news are quite important, and I will go live in order to see the volatility of the pairs and see if we can make some money out of this by closing some of our positions with TPs or stop losses. Let's see. So I will keep you updated. As I said, in approximately 25 minutes, I will go live to see the impact of the GDP announcements for the United States and Canada. So let's see what will happen in 25 minutes. Guys, you are monitoring my screen. We are very close to hit TPs on pound Aussie for the moment. I will keep you updated. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are getting ready again to hit TPs on pound Aussie. As we can see, our hedged short position is making us more than $4,000, and we are just 1.3 pips away from the stop loss of the buy position. If this is hit, we are closing also manually the take profit order, 0.7 pips now, guys. We want the ask price to fall to 292. If we see that, there we go, guys. I'm closing also that position. We just hit TP on pound Aussie, and we have increased our profits, actually with a small loss, actually minor loss because of the spread of we still have our profits at $12,335. We suffered because of the spread a minor loss of 20 pips. So we are done with pound Aussie. Now let's concentrate on the other pairs. GDP announcements are coming and are on the way. We still have positions on pound yen, short positions. We still have positions on pound dollar. We are short on dollar yen and euro yen, and we are also short on euro dollar. So lots of action is pending and it's on the way for the moment. So let's see what we can get. A webinar will start now, and I will come back to you again at 3:25, 3:30 Cyprus time. That's 1:25 GMT UTC time, to cover the impact of the GDP of the United States and the Canadian GDP. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are back live. Regarding the new position, I have triggered my call. I have shorted Aussie dollar at 0.7098. That was a pending order since the morning session, and it just got triggered at 70.98. My stop loss is at 71.21, and my TP is at 70.50. So guys, we are approaching the GDP announcements for both the United States and the Canadian and Canada. United States and Canada GDP numbers. Of course, we have personal consumption expenditure, URGorable orders for the United States. We have retail sales for the Canadian dollar. So we are expecting actually a lot of volatility in the markets. Regarding our newest positions, we have entered a short position on Aussie dollar as soon as the price reached our resistance level. According to the morning analysis, I have performed the charts. We are also short euro yen using the intraday system, and we are also short since the morning dollar yen. We hit stop loss on dollar CAD, or one stop loss for the moment. Let's see if we will manage and make some nice money during the news announcements, which will be out in approximately 3 minutes. So if you see relevant volatility, don't get by surprise. We have important announcements. Of course, I'm concentrating on the pounds since I have my biggest position sizes there, pound dollar and pound yen. We also are short on euro dollar. The pair is fighting to keep the support level. If we have a break below the support level, then most probably we will test the 113.76. We will see about that. So GDP for United States and Canada will be out in approximately 2 minutes, guys. Get ready, make sure you have your stop losses in place. If you haven't placed any positions yet, my advice is not to trade the news. It's absolutely, of course, at your own personal discretion. But I'm not trading the news. I'm not placing trades just 2 minutes before the news. If you already have positions, make sure you have proper stop losses and TPs in place. Volatility is expected. So let's check who is with me. I know that Michael is with me. Who else is with me, guys? Donald, Ivana, Jenna, Jeff, Adrian, Kylie, Julia, Mary, Natalie, Nemach, Nina, Patrick, and Robert. Let's see, guys, how the impact will affect our positions. We are monitoring the euro dollar chart for the moment, but we are also short on pound dollar, short on pound yen, short on euro dollar, short on euro yen, short on Aussie dollar, short on dollar yen. We are everywhere short for the moment, guys. Today the momentum is short, short, short. Let's see. Maybe we have an intraday trend reversal because of the announcements. Let's see. It will be out any minute now. Remember that we are monitoring the news from forexlive.com. GDP expected to be at 3.5 annualized, and the GDP price index expected to be at 1.4. There we go. We already got the first figure. Retail sales for the Canadian dollar came out a bit worse than expected at 0.3% versus 0.4. Let's see. The United States have not yet made any announcement, but we have the dollar cut figures. A mixture of GDP came out better than expected for Canada, 0.3 versus 0.2. Let's check the United States numbers now, guys. Durable good orders. Breaking news. They came out durable good orders 0.8%. Let's see. Okay, let's wait for the news to come out. Any minute now. GDP is the most important announcement. Okay, it's coming out any minute now, guys. Let's see if we have any volatility on the pairs. Okay, guys, final GDP came out worse than expected at 3.4% versus 3.5%. That's a surprise for the United States. So the GDP came out a bit worse than expected, 3.4 versus 3.5, the forecast. So let's see what the impact. So we don't have any volatility on euro dollar. Let me see pound dollar. We don't have any volatility on pound dollar. Let me check Aussie dollar. No significant impact on that. Let me check pound yen. No impact, guys. Although the announcement was very important, it didn't seem to have significant impact and causing volatility of the forex pairs. So we will see you in approximately 20 minutes, 25 minutes for our afternoon session. So now you will be monitoring my screen. If I have any updates, I will let you know. Thank you. So we are getting ready to start our live trading room session for the afternoon. Before we start, let's check and see what we have done for the day. So far, guys, we got two nice straightforward positions on euro dollar and dollar CHF. We closed also another position with profit on pound yen of $2,094. Also, we closed another position with profit of $5,300 on euro yen. And we hit a stop loss on dollar CAD so far. So far, I'm up a bit more than $12,300. We are up $12,335. Now, as you know by now, I'm using two systems, the intraday system, which doesn't use any reversals, and the hedging system where we reverse in case a position is going against us. Using the intraday system, let me write down the positions that I have so that you know. FX intraday system positions. So position number 1, 15 lots is the intraday system. If you see a position size 15 lots, you know that it's a trade, single trade, stop loss, TP, that's it. No reversals, no nothing. So I'm short Aussie dollar at 0.7098. So stop loss 0.7121 and TP 0.7050. That was a pending order, a sell limit order we placed in the morning when I was doing my trend analysis. I have identified a good resistance level there. I placed my sell limit order and we are aiming for the 70-50 level. The risk reward ratio is very important using this system. As you can see, I'm risking $3,450 if I hit stop loss, and I'm aiming to get $7,200. Is more than 1-to-1, is efficient, so why not? I will give it a try. The second trade I have opened using the intraday system, as you can see here, is a short position on euro yen at 126.957, stop loss 127.18, and TP 126.50. Let's have a look on the euro yen chart and let's understand the logic behind this. I saw that the price was finding difficulties in breaking upside with this zone. I have measured my Fibonacci 78.6 retracement level. I shorted it here. I placed my stop loss a bit above the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. For this trade, I'm risking $3,008 and I'm aiming for $6,166. So again, I have an efficient reward to risk ratio. The third position I have using the intraday system since the morning and is still troubling me is a short position on dollar yen at 111.094, stop loss 111.35, and TP 110.43, guys. Let's have a look on dollar yen trend analysis. As we can see, this is a good resistance level, is the FIBO retracement resistance level of this move, 61.8, while this one is a very good support, is the FIBO retracement level of this move of the 1 hour chart. So based on the analysis I have done, it seems that most probably we will see a break below that level. If we see that, we have very good chances of hitting our TP, and our TP is a long way down, guys. It's actually, I don't know, 60 pips, this one. So for this one, we are aiming for big money, guys, for the moment. I'm risking on this trade $3,454 as my stop loss is a bit above the FIBO 61.8% retracement level of the last downside leg move. So I'm risking on this trade based on the 15 lots position size I have opened, $3,454. And I'm aiming to get out of this $8,960 more or less. So these are the positions I have using the intraday system without any reversals. Now, using the hedging system, I'm using the hedging system on 4 pairs. The other 6, I'm trading them with the intraday system without any reversals. Now, for the hedging system, let me remind you that you need to be very careful and you need to use and learn how to use the Excel spreadsheet I have provided to your personal account managers. So you have a choice. Either you follow the intraday system or you follow the hedging system. Now, this Excel spreadsheet, based on your account sizes and position sizes, you can calculate with accuracy the next reversal position size. If, for example, you just open your platform and you haven't followed me on any positions, and for example, on pound dollar, that's my initial position size. I reversed first reversal, second, third, fourth reversal for me. If you just open your platforms and you would like to follow me using the hedging system on pound dollar, since this will be your first trade, you will determine your initial position size. And you can adjust your initial position size accordingly based on your account balances. If you open 0.01, if you have followed me, for example, since the morning, and you keep reversing, now you are in the 1, 2, 3, 4th reversal. So this means that now you should have a position, short position of 0.17 lots. Okay. So this is as far as the position size is concerned. Suppose that you just enter the platform. You always follow, if you wish to follow me on that, the largest position size of all the trades. So pound dollar, for the moment, I'm short. If you see more than minus $1,000 there, it means that it's beneficial for you to follow me. So if it is your first trade, you start with that. If I reverse, I will be on the 5th position reversal. You will be on the 2nd. Okay, the TPs and the stop losses, you take it from me straight away. So this is as far as the reversal system, the hedging system is concerned. You need to be aware, though, that you need to be aware of the margin requirements of your trading account, okay? And you don't need to follow me on all the positions of the reversal. Just choose one and let it develop. Now, on the hedging system, currently, we have the following positions. Number 1, I'm using the hedging system on 4 pairs, euro dollar and the pounds. Pound dollar, pound yen, pound Aussie. So 4 pairs only for the hedging system. The first position that I have is that I have reversed to short on euro USD at 1.1413. Stop loss 1.1470. and TP 1.1378. The second position that I currently have is that I have reversed to short on pound yen at 140.68, stop loss 141.258, and TP 140.338. Guys, let's have a look on the charts before we move on. Now, we are short on euro dollar, but we see that this level is halting. In order for our short positions to have any chances, we need to see a break below that level. If the price breaks outside this, let's say, sideways channel, then I have a buy stop order to reverse. It means that we are going higher. The important levels to watch for euro dollar is 114.09 and 114.76. It's a very important intraday resistance level. So I'm expecting the price to go, if it doesn't break on the downside, to keep trading within these limits. Now, regarding pound yen, we can see that here the picture is much more bearish than euro dollar. Actually, we have a downside penetration of the support level. That's why we reverse to short positions. And we are aiming to drop towards this level. So we will wait and see if the decline of euro yen continues, of pound yen continues, not euro yen, pound yen. Now, the third trade I have based on the hedging system, we have reversed to short on pound dollar at 1.26564, stop loss 1.27134, and TP 1.26214. Let's have a look on pound dollar. Now, based on the trend analysis we have done, in the morning, we have identified a very strong resistance level here. We have shorted pound dollar at this level. And we will check and see now with you guys if the price breaks below this support. The support is at 126.43. There it is, the support. Then most probably we will see a further decline on the pound dollar. Okay, so we just need to wait and see. Now, looking on the chart, on the indicators, euro dollar. I think euro dollar will continue, might continue to go up, because as you can see here, the RSI found support on the 40 level, and we also observe bullish parabolic. So actually, we might need to reverse to long positions shortly on euro dollar. However, the overall trend is a downtrend. So that's why I have my buy stop order above the upper Bollinger Band, because usually after a prolonged downside movement, prices usually react either on the moving averages or on the upper Bollinger Bands, and then it will be very critical to see if the decline will follow or if they will make the further upside movement. So for the moment, as you can see, we are testing the moving averages, the middle Bollinger Band and MA10. For the moment, the short positions are holding well, and let's see if the price will behave the way expected, that is to drop. Now, let's go to euro yen. Euro yen, as you can see, we have broken below all support levels, but it seems that the pair is finding difficulties on getting away from this trading range. However, the bearish on longer term time frames, on 1 hour and 4 hour and daily charts, euro yen is very promising for a further decline. However, since we are trading intraday, we have shorted it. I have used this bar as my strong resistance level at 127.08. Let's round it up. And that is why I have placed my stop loss for this position a bit higher than this bar. Okay, so basically I don't want the pair to break above this sideways channel. Otherwise, we are expecting further upside movement. For the moment, it's looking good, trading below the support level, and I'm expecting a quite significant drop if we break the daily lows. So let's see. Let's go to pound dollar. As I said, we are trading between the resistance levels. Let me see pound yen. Now, pound yen is trading below the support level. We have a bearish cross on stochastics, which is not overextended at all. And also RSI is testing now the 40 level and is breaking below it. So pound yen is looking very good for the moment. And if these indications continue exactly as they are, I'm expecting a sharp decline. Also, we have bearish parabolics in place, which confirm and strengthen a possible downside movement even more. Okay, guys? Guys, do you understand what I'm saying? Do you have any questions? If you have, don't hesitate to contact me in the chat room, especially newcomers. Let's go on with dollar yen. Now, dollar yen is troubling me a lot, as I said. Stochastic and RSI, they give for the moment a bit of contradicting results. We have bearish parabolics on the 15-minute chart, which is good. Stochastic is bearish, which is good. But RSI refuses to give up the 40 level, guys. You see how here found support, failed to reach 60, now is trading again close to 40. In order for our short positions to have any chance, we need to see the RSI breaking below 40 again and going downwards. So we will see what will happen on that. It was one of the first trades I have placed in the morning. We are risking on this trade $3,454. As I said, this is the bullish support level, FIBO 61.8 of the retracement level of the 1 hour chart. And if we break below that, I'm expecting a sharp decline of 60 pips on dollar yen. Straightforward decline. So let's see if this will happen. So everything has to do, as you can understand, using proper money management, because as you can see, using the intraday system, guys, always my reward to risk ratios are efficient. What do I mean efficient reward to risk ratios? To not risk $2 to get less than $2. Okay, there's no point of doing that. Okay, have this in mind. So regarding news announcements for today, as I said in my previous connection with you, the GDP of the United States came a bit worse than expected at 3.4. Also, Trump has just tweeted again that if they don't agree and they don't approve the border wall funding, he threatened that he will shut down the government, and it's going to be for a long time. These were his exact words, actually, on Twitter. So another interesting event will occur tonight. Let's hope that everything goes well, guys, and we don't have people from the United States Christmas to get troubled by not having government facilities and services. It's not an easy thing. So that's another thing that you need to have in mind. And some people are saying that he's bluffing. Others are saying that he's not bluffing. Bluffing or not, government services belong to American people, and we should not leave one person do whatever he wants. So that's my opinion. But anyway, we are not here to analyze politics. We are here to learn. So, any questions for me, guys? Do you have any questions for me? Anything at all? Anything that you would like to ask me regarding charts, regarding tools, regarding analysis? Any questions? Who is with us? I see Andrian, I see Alex, Alicia, Allen, Arun. I think it's the first time I see you here. Donald, always here with us, and thank you very much. Fred, Ivana, Jeff, Jenna, Julia, Kylie, Larry, Megan, Michael. Nice questions, Michael. Well done. Natalie, Nina, Patrick, Rachel, Robert, Susan, and Sushila. So, guys, any questions for me? Anything at all? I will be here for you in case you want to ask me any questions. And we are approaching in approximately 12 minutes the US opening session. I have a question from Michael. Can you explain Fibonacci? Michael, Fibonacci cannot be explained, not even in 1 hour. But since you have requested, I will give you a very brief explanation of how I am using Fibonacci. Fibonacci usually has two usefulness. It's useful for two things: to identify support and resistance levels and to identify exit signals of your positions. Let's say that we are looking now on Aussie dollar on the 1 hour chart, okay? Now, the most important Fibonacci retracement level, because there are two types of levels, retracement and extension levels. We are talking now about retracement levels. The most important retracement level is the 61.8, otherwise called also the Gordon ratio. And as you can see, usually the 38, 50, and 61.8 retracement levels, they are classified to be very good resistance levels. So if you want to short this pair, you need either to short it at 38.2 or 50 or 61.8. Now, technical analysis says that in theory, usually the best entry level to short is 61.8. However, that's not always the case because as you can see, I have shorted Aussie dollar at 38.2 actually. However, my stop loss cannot be lower than 61.8. And since 61.8 is at this level, I need to put it above it. Okay, that's why I have my stop loss there. Now, regarding Fibonacci extensions, you take the move contrary to the current move, which is going up. And as you can see, we are using extension levels. And you can see that the 161.8, that is, if this move is broken to the downside, which this is the case, since we had a closing candle below the start of this upside move, I use it for take profit levels. Okay, that's why I have my take profit a bit above than the 161.8 extension level. So this is very briefly how I'm personally using Fibonacci. Of course, there is much more to it, some other additional levels of Fibonacci. We need 2 hours to examine my call Fibonacci. Very briefly, that's what I'm partially using when I'm placing trades, just because you have asked about Fibonacci. Nice one, though. So, any other questions for me, guys? We still have 7 more minutes until I give a pass to Elif for the US opening. So, any other questions you would like to ask me? Anything at all? What about Alex? What about Donald? What about Fred? Guys, any questions? We are here to answer your questions. Is there anything you need to get a deeper understanding from what you have learned from your training programs? Anything that is not clear and you would like to know how we actually use it? Kindly ask us in the chat room and we'll be more than glad to assist you in that. Alex is saying, I'm just trying to follow your charting logic. Incredible. Yes, Alex, let me remind you once again, everyone, guys, that learning in theory is one thing and how things are done in practice is a completely different thing. So if you would like to understand the logic of both systems, because I'm using two systems, and how to actually use them and make money, you need to come definitely one-to-one sessions. They are very important, okay? Now, Susan is asking, I'm new and still get confused by the chart. Could you explain the different lines? Are you referring to resistance lines? Are you referring to support lines? Are you referring to zigzag lines? Are you referring to Bollinger Band lines? Once you clarify which lines you mean. Okay, the zigzag is just an indicator, Susan, which is assisting me on identifying chart patterns. And it can easily be put on the chart using insert indicators custom zigzag, insert indicators custom zigzag, but it's very important to change the parameters to 12, 5, and 3. So basically the main usefulness of this zigzag, Susan, is for me to identify price patterns and more particularly failure swings. I mean, how many of you are aware of what is a failure swing and a non-failure swing? These are the Bibles, let's say, of swing trading in technical analysis. And if you are trading, you definitely need to know what the failure swing is. If you don't have the theory of the failure swings and the reversal patterns in your existing training programs, it's a very good idea to upgrade your training programs to a higher level so that you have them taught. And once you learn them, you will love them, guys, and you will come here and you will understand every single thing that I'm saying. In case you would like to know more about it, you have two choices, guys. Either you upgrade your training programs, or if you want to see live how I'm using them, attend the LTR or come to one-to-one sessions. Okay? You are very welcome and thank you very much for your question. So we are just 5 minutes away from the US Open. We are 5 minutes away from the US Open. The important thing when you trade, guys, is to be calm. Okay? So there is no reason to stress yourselves. And when you catch yourselves being stressed, it means that either you have an improper position size, okay, or you have something else in your mind. So prefer to trade at lower levels and enjoy it rather than opening inappropriate position sizes and shake and smoke 2 packets of cigarettes, for example. I mean, keep calm. Yesterday, guys, I think Alan and Michael was with me. At some time, guys, I was making around $300,000 on a trade. And somebody asked me, why are you so calm? Because I'm used to these numbers. I know what these numbers are. I can stand the losses if I lose based on the capital that I currently have and manage. So everything has to do with losses and everything has to do with positive psychology when you are trading. Okay, and always trade with a plan. If you don't have a plan, if you don't have a system, come to a one-to-one session with us and we can design a system for you. What are some of the good indicators to follow when trading gold and oil? Okay, Alex, I will give a pass to a leaf because we have separated the instruments here. Now you are not in my field. My field is Forex. Now you are entering a leaf's field. So I will give a pass to a leaf in order to explain the indicators she uses when she's trading gold and oil. So there we go. No problem, no problem.
Hello, guys. Welcome. Nice to have you here. Yes, gold and oil and all the indices are mine. They are mine and I'm trading them and come to the queen. Come to the queen. However, Alex, I will reply your questions. We have 3 minutes to go for the US opening. That's why I will reply very fast. No, I'm not biting anyone. So, Alex, I'm trading on basis gold. On daily basis, I'm trading gold and I'm trading almost every day also. I see Griagos has an update and then we will be back to me.
Okay, guys, we started talking and we forgot about positions. We are getting ready to hit TPs on pound yen. Pound yen is declining nicely. We are already making almost $14,000 from our hedge short position. Let's get the profits running, guys, as expected. Remember, a few minutes ago, I was telling you that the pound yen looked better and broke the support. And here we are now, guys. We are making almost $15,000 on this trade. And using the hedging system soon, the last short position would cover fully the losses of the previous long position. So all we need to see is a further decline to the downside on pound yen. And I believe that we will significantly increase our profits for the day. That's the last trading day of the week. We all want to go home with money. Weekend is coming, Christmas is coming. So I believe we will make some nice money. Currently, we are up $12,335. But if we close these positions, guys, I believe that we might exceed $20,000 for the day. So there we go. Pound yen is falling. Get ready for some nice TPs. Green lights will soon light up in my trading account. We just need the price to fall a bit more. There we go, guys. We are making $15,500 on that. What is the schedule for Christmas? Alan is asking me. Well, Alan, we will eat, we will drink, we will celebrate, get additional kilos. There we go, guys. $20,000. Let's see if we will manage and close this beautiful position on pound yen. Let's see, guys. Let's see. We are missing a few more pips, 5 more pips. No, only for my wife, Alan. Believe me, I didn't. No, I haven't bought anything from myself. There we go, guys. Get ready for some nice money. Just 2 pips away from our TP. Currently, we are making $20,000 on our pound yen position. Come on, let's get the money. Let's get the money. Let's get the money. We want the money, guys. We want the money. Just 2 more pips to hit stop loss on that, and we close manually all the trades. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We want that. Fall. We cover the spread. There we go, guys. We just closed our pound yen positions, and we have increased our profits to $15,682. But guess what, guys? More is coming. More is coming. Pound dollar, we are making $25,000. Exactly, guys. We are making money. So pound dollar is developing very well. We have increased our profits to $15,682. A nice one on pound yen using the hedging system. Also, euro yen is making us money. Also, dollar yen started to make us money. Also, pound dollar started to make us money, guys. So that's all for the moment. It seems that we are starting to get the money in. So regarding your question, Alan, about Christmas, are you talking about the session of Monday, or are you talking about Christmas holidays? If it's Christmas holidays, we will have a nice time. I will give straightforward the pass to Elif, and if I have an update, I will let you know, guys. Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome. We just opened a USA 30 and a USA 100 position short, guys, and we are making money. We put our take profit, but have in mind that we might close the position before our take profit target got reached. So on USA 100, we are making $600 on USA 30. Now we are losing a small amount of money, but we will get there. I didn't want to close the position. For all of you who just joined here, USA 30, you would, if you enter now, you would get a better price than I got. So all is good. And Alex, I didn't reply yet your question. I stopped it in the middle because of the update, and I will come back to you in a short while. I just need to trade the opening, and then I will come to your question. So USA 100 is crazy. Look at this. It's crazy. Also USA 30 is crazy. Let's see, we have to adjust a bit our take profits. I'm expecting on USA 100 on this level a take profit of $1,300, and on USA 30 I'm expecting also 1,000. I see 1,800, 2,000. Okay, it's too high. Let me see. The market now moves against me, guys, on USA 30, and I will sell now again. I just sold again USA 30, guys. I have the second position open on USA 30, and on USA 100, I still didn't increase my exposure, guys. I didn't, because what you do when you are when you have to increase your exposure is, guys, when the market is higher than your entry level. Then you are going to increase your exposure. That's why on USA 30, I did increase my exposure, but on USA 100, I didn't. Guys, it's very, very fast going on. It's very strong going on. So let me see on USA 30, let's put a take profit on USA 30. Here we go. I put my take profit at 22,910. This is my take profit. This is my take profit for the second position. And for USA 100, I want also a bit more money on USA 100. I don't like this. Let's see here. The market just opened. Okay, guys. Now we are getting there. Now we are getting there on USA 100. Okay, we are making $400 on USA 100. Maybe I have to adjust a bit more my take profit here. Let's put, because I will adjust a bit more my take profit on USA 100. I will just go for a profit of $800. $800 should be okay for me. Come on, come on. Guys, I'm going for a third position on USA 30. I'm going for a third position on USA 30. I just opened a third position on USA 30. And now also on USA 100, I'm getting ready to open also another position on USA 100. But the price needs to be higher than my entry level of the first position. It didn't, so I will not. Okay. So let me put also here for this position a take profit for the USA 30, and I will explain you guys. So I will put my take profit at 22,910. Also this position I will put at 22,910. Now I'm making $700. Here we go. That's what I want. That's what I want. Okay, great. Guys, USA 100. We just closed the position on USA 100. Now that the market moves a bit higher, we go again short. Let me see. Yep, when the market moves up, we have a pullback. Come on, a bit more a pullback, and I will get there. Come on, I want a bit more pullback to get into the market. No, it's too low. This is not what I want. On USA 30, I'm making a quite good money. Guys, look on USA 100. Guys, I'm going a bit more up. There we go. I just sold it. I just sold USA 100 once again, guys. Now I just sold it again, and I will put again my take profit at 6,255. 6,255 is my take profit. And when the market goes a bit higher, I will go sell it again. USA 30, I don't like the movements of USA 30. It's not clear pattern. It's not a clear movement. On USA 100, I will put here we go. I just opened again a sell position on USA 100. You see on USA 100, the market is trying to give a drop. Okay, Alex. Alex, when you are back, I will give you a reply. So now, guys, USA 100 is moving up. USA 100 is moving up, and when USA 100 is moving up, I enter always another short position because the overall picture is clear. It's a downtrend. That's why. So on USA 30, I don't like this movement. I don't like this setup. You see it. It's going down and going up. We go for the 5 minutes chart. Yeah, Kyriakos has an update, and I will come back.
Okay, guys. It's a good update. Get ready for some nice TPs on pound dollar. We are fastly approaching our take profit level. Already the biggest short position is making us $38,000. You see, guys, that pound dollar gave up the support level, the power of trend analysis, and is falling like crazy, guys. Currently, we are making almost $40,000 from our last short position on pound dollar, and also euro yen. Guys, this was using the intraday system from one single position. It seems that we will get $6,171, guys, from one single position of 15 lots. So it has broken the levels. There is nothing stopping euro yen from declining further. We are in the money. All the trades are behaving in a nice way. Also, euro dollar started to make us money. Aussie dollar, when I shorted, it is making us money. Dollar yen started to make us money. Pound dollar is in the money, guys. Get ready for some nice TPs on pound dollar. We are making $36,000, $37,000. Red lights, and soon we will see the green lights opening on their trading account. Let's increase these profits, guys, to above $22,000 for the day. Currently, we are up 15,682. I want more than $22,000. It seems that these profits will come from pound dollar and euro yen for the moment. Let's see, pound dollar is falling nicely. And let's see if we will manage and hit our TPs, because I interrupted Elif and I don't want to do that. Elif, if you have any further urgent updates, let me know. It's okay. You're right. Thank you. So we are almost making $38,000. We want the pound to drop. We want the pound to drop. We want the euro yen to drop. And it seems that we are on the right path, guys. Come on. No. Okay. I'm leaving the trades develop. I'm not closing anything. It seems that the drop has been put on hold for a moment. So I will pass to Elif, and if we close these positions, I will let you know. Elif, we are back to you. Sorry for the interruption.
No problem, Kyriakos, no problem. For money, we are always for take profits. We are always there to be happy about that. So our USA 100 position is making money. On USA 30, we still need to go on. It doesn't really move up, and maybe it's also too weak. It's really too weak to go higher, and I don't get the signal on USA 30 that the market will go up further. Okay, now I will just open one small position, a buy position, because this looks like the reversal point here. So I opened another one position on USA 30 and up, a long position, although I don't expect for a long time a move up. Overall, the market is dropping. Overall, this market is dropping. Just the market might go up until this level and reverse at this level. And that's why I opened now one position, just one position for one long position. I have 3 short positions, and I opened one long position just to cover this move over here, because I'm expecting that at 23,000 it will reverse. This is what I'm expecting, and it reversed even earlier. It reversed even earlier. It's good because I'm overexposed on the one side. We just did it to cover some, to get some extra profits, and now I will get into a small take profit over here at 23,335. This is the maximum which I'm expecting on this position. Come on, come on, come on. So now going back to USA 100, USA 100. USA 100 is moving nicely. Look at this, it's moving nicely. We are making small profits on USA 100, $400 and $150. Nice one, not a big movement, but still nice going on and bringing us some extra profits. $500 and the one position at $700. Yeah, come on, come on. We'll get there. On USA 30, USA 30, come on. Yeah, USA 30 has started to reverse right now. We have one long position, as you know, and 3 short positions. I don't mind about this long position, but I want this short positions to get triggered, because the short positions, I have more exposure on the short positions. So guys, it is one day before, this is the last trading day before weekend, and on Monday several assets will be closed. Just have that in mind, especially on indices, several will be closed. So let me see. And one of them is Italy 40. Italy 40 will be not open on Monday. Just have that in mind. Guys, I will take my take profit. No, I will not take my take profit. So for today, we increased our profit so far to $8,800, and get ready, we are getting close to hit a take profit on USA 100, guys. On USA 100, we are getting ready for a take profit. Come on. Come on, we are getting ready for a take profit on. Needs a bit more time, okay. So currently we are long, and there we go, guys. 2 positions, and we did take profit on 2 positions of USA 100. On one position we make $927. On the other one we make $652. And now when USA 100 moves up, when we have a pullback, what we do, we enter again. We enter again when we have a pullback. That's the way how we trade. And currently we increased our profits to $10,412. We still have positions open on USA 30. Let me see. Also, now USA 100 moved up, and we are selling, guys. We just sold USA 100, another one trade, and now that it's moving up, come on, come on, come on. We will increase again when the market moves up. We increase again when the market moves up. You know that. That's the old story. How we trade, always the same story, guys. Always the same story, and I will put a take profit on USA 100 at 6,245. This is my take profit. I see Kyriakos has an update. Here we go. We are making $600, by the way. Yes, Kyriakos.
Okay, guys, get ready to get profits on Euro Yen. 15 lots intraday system. That's a $6,177 profit position size. Guys, we are just 7 pips away from our $6,178. That's using the intraday system. Guys, shall we close that? Let's close it with $5,400. I just closed it, guys. That's a proof that both systems work. I shorted Euro Yen, $5,394 from one trade. Currently, we are up $21,000, guys. Let's see how pound dollar will behave, and I will be back. Thank you.
Oh, nice one, nice one. USA 100 really moves nicely in our favor, guys. In USA 100, you see a strong trend. This is the strong trend, and this is what we are following. This is what we are following, and we are getting profits over there. I put my take profit on the lower rate, on the previous low, which is over here, and we are very close to hit that level. Our previous low was at 6,250, and we are very close to it there. My take profit, guys, get ready, get ready. We are going to hit take profit here. Come on, get ready. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, give me this pleasure now in the afternoon to give me another $1,000. Another $1,000. Come on. No. It's not. It's not. But it will. Come on. I see Kyriakos has an update. Please, Kyriakos.
Okay, guys, I'm closing dollar yen with $1,600 profit. We just closed dollar yen with $1,600 profit. And also I'm closing Aussie dollar. It's Friday, guys. And we have increased our daily profits to $23,400 for the day. I only left the euro dollar and the pound dollar positions running. So for the moment, a good Friday, $23,400, guys. That's all from me. I'm letting the trades develop, and I will let you know if I have any more updates. So thank you. We are going back to Elif for the conclusions. Thank you.
Thank you, Kyriakos. Yes, Kyriakos is totally right. It's Friday afternoon. It's Friday afternoon. It's the last day of the week and the last full trading day before Christmas. The last full trading day before Christmas, because on the 24th, some assets will be not available and some others, they will be limited, like with reduced trading hours available. Like we will have early closes, we will have no openings, and so just get ready that on Monday we will have a bit more slow volatility. So we see USA 100 is giving us profit. USA 30 started to give us profit. We have this reversal. As I said, we are expecting this reversal. I have a long position, but this long position tonight, before the market close, I will decide what I will do with this long position. If we hit my take profit is just a take profit of $200. It's nothing. Like, it's really nothing. And I will expect now. I will check how it will be before the market close, and then I will react on that. As you know, I just opened that one for covering the loss which might happen by moving the take profits up. I'm seeing now on USA 30, now we started to make money with our general expectations. Our general expectation was a downtrend, and there we go. It's dropping and giving us money. Today, we didn't have a lot of trades. We didn't open a lot of trades because we're moving very slowly, as you can see. Overall, we made until now $10,014. Here we go. We hit another take profit on USA 100, and we increased our profits to $11,000. And I'm expecting now on USA 30 to get a bit more. Come on, USA 30. We have 3 positions open, sell positions on USA 30. And I'm getting ready to close both. Come on, a bit more and I will close them. While in the meantime, on USA 100, when the market moves a bit up, guys, what we do? We go for a short trade. This is something you know. This is something you are expected and you are used to. Guys, I'm selling now. I'm selling USA 30 now. It's such a nice downtrend. I don't want to miss that. I don't want to miss that. I just shorted USA 100. It's a nice move down. I can go for it. I can go for it. And now let me see. Where is the next low? The next low is over here. We are on the half-an-hour chart. 214. Yes, we go for that. Yes, we go for that. We go for 6,215 is my next take profit, which I am aiming over here. And with this take profit, I'm aiming another $1,000. I'm aiming another $1,000. So let's go to USA 30 to check what's going on USA 30. On USA 30, okay, we have again a pullback. But since we didn't close the previous trade, we can't enter again on this position. We can't enter on this position. And on USA 100, if we see that the market price goes higher than my candle over here, when the next candle is higher than this candle which I entered, then we increase again our exposure. That's clear, guys? So I have guys, at least okay. The general trend is clear. The general trend on USA 30 is clear, guys. It's a downtrend. I have this trade over here, this buy trade for the movement up, and it's not something which provides me satisfaction. Okay. Guys, I'm willing to close this position. I'm willing to close my buy position on USA 30, but before I do that, I will sell again USA 100. Just sold again USA 100. And also on gold, I want to sell. I want to sell gold. I want to sell gold, get ready for, no, I will not sell gold now. In the next possibility, I will sell gold. So I opened again USA 100 sell position I told you about. And now I will put my take profit at the same level as the previous one, which is at 6,250. On USA 100, it's clear it's a downtrend. Great, great, great move up. I'm selling again. Here we go. Here we go. I just put again I opened again a short position on USA 100. I have a question of Susan. Susan is asking me, what are the numbers you are putting in stop loss and take profit? No, don't worry, Susan. It's not. There are no silly questions. Really, there are no silly questions. We are here to help you with your worries. This is the difference of Trademy. So what are the numbers? I'm putting here on USA 100. Let me see. I will show you. Look, I saw on USA 100, Susan, a very, very strong drop. You see, it's a very, very strong drop. A downtrend. I see a strong downtrend. So I want to define at which level this position should close. I can do it manually. When I see that, for example, here USA 100, this position is making $40, I want to close it, I can do it manually. Then I say, okay, with $40 I close it. Or because you see how fast the market moves. Or I put a take profit, this is this TP. So once the market reaches this price and this profit, to close automatically these positions. Okay, oh, I see you are not on my, you don't see my chart. These are the two possibilities. That's why I put my take profit. I define my take profit. What is the money I want to make from this position? And I put this price level in my take profit. So for this USA 100, I see that there is a downtrend, a very strong downtrend. We broke this level over here. Okay, this, I make it a bit bigger so you can see it. This was a very strong support level. We broke it. Now we go for the next one. This is the previous one. So this is the level which the market will aim to reach. And this is the level where I put my take profit. So my take profit is at 6,215. This is this price over here. So I'm expecting that my USA 100 price level will go there. And when this is done, then the market will close automatically. And the same is valid for a stop loss, where I say, okay, this is the maximum loss I'm willing to take. So, for example, now on my USA 100 position, I'm making right now $1,030. I can say that's enough for me. I close it and I close it manually. Or I say, okay, no, I see that the market will drop still until that level, which I see on my stochastic oscillator that it will drop. And I say, okay, leave it there and then we will get more out of it. You understand, Susan? If it's clear, just give me a short feedback. If it's not clear, tell me what makes it difficult and I will explain it more detailed. So our USA 100 positions, they develop really, really nice and we are close to hit some take profit here. Then on USA 30, guys, on USA 30, okay, Susan, if there are some more questions or something is not clear, just come and ask. I will try to explain. So on USA 30, as I said, we have this one buy position and 3 sell position. The buy position we just put because we expect that the market will try to reach this level over here, which is 23,000 level. 23,000 level. As I said many times already, the zero numbers are psychologically difficult to break. That's why it will try again and then it will drop on USA 30. Now that there is a small loss, I'm not sticking on my USA 30 level trade. I want to close it as soon as possible. Buy trade, my buy trade. I want to close this trade as soon as possible and with the smallest loss as possible. So far we made 11,500. It's a nice one. On USA 30, it's dropping again. However, let's see. Okay. Guys, you remember I wanted to sell gold and I said I will not now? It's because of this. I was expecting a pullback and I know there is still a bit to move, go up to enter again a sell position. This is the pullback I'm talking about all the time. This is a pullback. This here is a pullback and there is still some movement up to get. Guys, on USA 100, look at this. Look at this. USA 100, look at USA 100. We are ready to hit some take profit. On USA 100, I want to close them. As Kyriakos already said, I know the market will continue to drop. That's crystal clear. I can see it on the 5 minutes chart. I see it on the 15 minutes chart. It's just a matter of time until this take profit will be triggered. I see it on the half-an-hour chart. It's so clear. But it's the last day before. It's the last full trading day before Christmas, and it's time to close some positions. So I'm closing them now manually. Susan, now I'm closing them manually. I'm not waiting the take profit to get triggered. I want to close them manually to, it's okay. Hard. Close the first position on USA 100. Close the second one. And I close the third one on USA 100. And we increased our profits to 14,258. Nice one. Now the market moves even stronger down. However, so, you know, my daily target is 15,000. Let's go to USA 330, USA 30. Let's go to USA 30 and close some positions also on USA 30. This is my USA 30 chart. I have 3 sell positions and 1 buy position. Here we go. I just closed my buy position. And I closed another buy position, guys. And here we go. We are at $16,111,000, and that's it. I will keep my long position on USA 30 until tonight. Let me see. Let me make the analysis right now and I'll see. Let me see, okay. Okay, guys. I'm left with 2 positions on USA 30. They are catched in a hedging up. I will leave them. I will leave them both and we will see. This gap, this hedging gap is so narrow. I will leave those ones. We have our take profits. It's okay. It's okay, guys. So we increased our profits so far, guys, to $16,111,000 for today. It was the last full trading day before Christmas. So the markets are a bit more conscious than usual. Guys, I will be not with you on Monday. I will see you after Christmas, all of you. Is Alex back so I can reply to his question? He's not back. Okay, let's wait another few minutes. Maybe he will reach to come and so I can reply to his questions. However, I will be back after Christmas. I wish you all a very, very nice Christmas time. Get rest, get ready for the new after Christmas rally. We will be here trading with you. Enjoy Santa's nice trade. Thank you, Rachel. I wish you also a nice holidays. Also, Susan, for you, have nice holidays. Enjoy the time, and I will see you after Boxing Day. After Boxing Day, I will be here with you trading and having a nice time. So, Kyriakos, do you have any updates? No. Okay, then I wish you a nice time. Guys, no. Okay, no. So, I wish you all a nice time. See you after Boxing Day. Happy holidays, happy Christmas, and have a nice time. Bye-bye, guys.